Alright, so in the last video, we modified some of this here. Let's go ahead and try to display some data now, right? So, first thing that we want to do is we want to get everything from users. There we go. Then we want to change this and we're going to say select users. As you can see now, most of the time what we're doing now is copy and pasting, modifying, and doing simple things like that. Super easy to do now, right? So now let's look at our table in the database, see the names of it. I think we name everything users, almost users, and we need to make sure that data is correct here on this side. So let's put this here. There we go. So we got the user there, user ID. So let's get that here. User ID. What else we got? Username. What else? User password. User password. What else? And then after the password, we got the first name. Then user last name. User email. And user image. All right, what else? Anything else we want to get out of there? Let's just get it out. Let's just get everything out. User role. Just because we're not going to use it, here visually doesn't mean that we're not going to use it internally. All right. So username, user password, user first name. I'm just double checking all the fields here. Make sure that we have everything we need. All right. Perfect. What next? I saw something here that I needed to do, but okay. Right here, we need to modify this. So I'm just going to copy this and put it right here. Make sure you do the same thing. It's better to copy and paste actually, because if you try to do it thinking that you're not gonna make a mistake, believe me, it's super easy to make a mistake. I hope you are enjoying the course. If you pay attention and you do what I'm doing here on the course, you will do very good. You will succeed in PHP for sure. All right, so and all right, so let's just verify that this is all correct. We can just double click here. All right, yeah, that's fine. All right. Actually, I thought that this editor had the same feature as another editor that I was using. You double click and we match the same keyword. But I guess if you, let me see if they are the same. No, it doesn't have that feature. Maybe it's a plugin somewhere for this, but this one doesn't have that. So let's go ahead and echo some of this stuff out real quick. As a matter of fact, I think this video is already long enough. On the next one, we're gonna be finishing this off and displaying some information. I think we're done with just doing this one here, right? So in the next lecture, we're gonna be continuing this and hopefully we'll get it to display some data. Thank you, and I see you in the next lecture.